Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to customize your navigation bar buttons to add a custom photo like this. So as you can see, I've got cars. So I can press the middle button. This will go home. I can go ahead and open up the task manager. However, as you can see, these are all car pictures. So let me show you how to change your back, home, and recent to photos you download from the internet. So before you start, you want to first go ahead and open up Google Chrome. And here you want to go ahead and find photos you want to replace it with. So let's just say flowers. So we'll go ahead and you go to images and we'll go ahead and find flowers. So for example, this one here, we'll use Galaxy AI, Smart Select, and we'll go ahead and clip this and we'll download this. Now we'll go ahead and find another one. Let's go ahead and find a rose. Go ahead and clip this as well. And we'll download it. And last one, let's go ahead and find a sunflower. We'll use Smart Select and we'll go ahead and clip this and download it. So now we have 3 pictures of flowers and we'll go ahead and replace it with our home, back, and recent. So next we'll go ahead and open up the Good Lock app. In the Good Lock app, we'll go ahead and open up the NavStar module. We'll switch this on, tap on New Configuration, and here we'll go ahead and replace these buttons here. So we'll go ahead and tap on Recent first, use the gallery, and go ahead and choose this button here. So no, we don't want to crop it. Next, we'll go ahead and replace the Home button, replace it with a rose, no, and then we'll go ahead and replace the Back button. Replace it with this flower here, no. Now we'll go tap on Save. And then we'll go ahead and scroll down and we'll use the configuration which we created, which is right here, and then tap on Home. So as you can see now, our configuration has now changed. So like this, you can basically configure your very own navigation bar. You can basically change it to custom photos. So there you go, guys. That is how to customize your navigation bar with photos on your Samsung S25 Ultra.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.